everyone, welcome to my channel Delight Redefine. Here we talk about different topics related to well-being and law of attraction, and today I am going to talk about emotional well-being. In fact, I am going to talk about a particular technique which would help us to stay calm, peaceful and happy inside. As a human being, it's natural to have bad feelings at times. Sometimes we feel stressed, sometimes we feel overwhelmed, sometimes we feel negative feelings. It could be even anger or jealousy. But what can we do about that? So today I am going to talk about a wonderful technique. I came across this technique a couple of months ago. I have applied it in my life and I can tell you it works for sure, and it works miraculously. So without further ado, let me start explaining the technique. We have an acronym for this technique and it is RAIN, R-A-I-N. R stands for recognizing. Most of the time in our life, we don't just sit and talk to ourselves. We don't ask ourselves, how are you feeling today? How do you feel? We don't ask ourselves this question. But remember, it's so important to recognize your feelings, because if you don't recognize it, you won't be able to work on it. Even if it's a negative feeling, we need to recognize it first, right? And a simple tool for recognizing it is asking the question to yourself. How do I feel? It could be anything, and don't be afraid to recognize your bad feelings as well. We all are human beings. We are not superhumans, right? So it's okay to feel bad at times. It's okay to feel jealous. It's okay to feel angry. It's okay to feel sad, upset. It's fine. So recognizing is the first step. The next step, A stands for acceptance. Now it's a wonderful step. If you don't try it, you won't realize it, but let me tell you, even at the first time when I came across this technique, I thought, how could I accept my bad feelings? But when you accept it, actually your bad feelings vanishes, it reduces, it just goes away. What do you mean by acceptance? It means just observing it without trying to change it. Just feel the feelings. You can write down your feelings. Often I suggest journaling. Don't try to change it, just observe it. Sometimes you may feel like crying, sometimes you may feel like writing. Whatever it is, just don't suppress it. You don't have to express it in a bad way. Bad feelings doesn't mean you have to express in a bad way. For example, you are angry. That doesn't mean you have to shout at someone. If you are angry, just look inside. How are you feeling? Just look inside. Go to somewhere. Go to a silent place. Look inside. See what's happening. What kind of thoughts and feelings are coming up. You can write them down if you want. But observe it. Don't try to change it. But believe me, when you will observe it without trying to change it, with time, it will diminish, it will decrease, it will go away. Just look inside. Look inside. Observe the emotion. Write them down if you want. But don't take any other kind of action at this step. Now let's go to the next step, and that is I. I stands for investigate. Once you are done with acceptance, you are in a much more stable position. Then you can logically think, and when you are not in control of your negative emotion, you can think logically, then try to investigate where it is coming from, what situation or what kind of expectations which are not being met, and maybe that is why you are feeling bad. So what's your desire? What's your expectation? What's happening? What's the situation? A lot of time you won't get the answer right away, but believe me, I have tried it myself. But if you try to get the answer, you will get the answer. Give yourself some time. It's okay. You will get the answer. You will get the answer. Give it a couple of days, couple of weeks, in couple of months. And once you get the answer, it's really easy to work on yourself. And last, which is the most important thing but often ignored, and that is N. N stands for non-attachment. Remember, our feelings and thoughts are only our creation. We are creator, not our creation. There is a difference between being a creator and the creation. Because thoughts and feelings are creation, they can be changed. You can change your thoughts, you can change your feelings. You are not one with your thoughts and feelings. They are your creation, and you can change it whenever you want. So always remember, thoughts and feelings are your creation. Change it if you want. You are the master of your own mind. You can change your thoughts and feelings whenever you want to. Thank you so much. Let me know if you like this technique. Please apply it and let me know if it works for you. It will take some time. Everything won't work right away, but I can assure you, if you try this technique a couple of times, you would understand how it works. As I always say, practice makes man perfect. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a great day. Goodbye. Take care. See you next time.